In this video, I am going to show you how to close Mbank account. If you want to close Mbank account, then you will need to follow some steps. These are the general steps you need to follow if you want to close a bank account. First, check out your account balance. Make sure that your account balance is zero before you close it. If there is any money left in the account, you will need to withdraw it before you can close it. Second, contact your bank. You can close your savings account by contacting your bank in person, over the phone or by mail. When you contact your bank, be sure you have your account number and social security number or taxpayer identification number ready. Third, fill out a form. Your bank may require you to fill out a form to close your saving account. The form will ask for your name, address, social security number or taxpayer identification number and the reason for closure the account. Fourth, sign the form. Once you have filled out the form, be sure to sign it. Fifth, submit the form. You can submit the form to your bank in person by mail or by fax. Sixth, wait for an account to be closed. It may take a few days for an account to be closed. Once your account is closed, you will no longer have access to the funds in the account. These are the general steps you need to follow if you want to close your bank account. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.